Okay, we ever take a really common integral? We've got the integral of secant cubed x dx. Now, typically when I come across this, I'll actually just use the formula for this. I'll just memorize that because it's going to be quicker. But every once in a while, we like to see where these formulas come from. So to get started with this, what I want to do is integration by parts, just using the DI method or tabular integration. But now the interesting thing here is we really kind of only have one thing, right? But now with secant cubed x, we could actually break this up 4 different ways. We could differentiate secant squared, or we could integrate secant squared, or we could even create a 1. What I want to do for this is actually integrate secant squared, because that's actually easy to integrate, and then we'll differentiate secant x. So coming over here, just integrating secant squared, this is going to be tan of x, and then differentiating secant, that's going to be just secant times tangent. So we'll have part of our solution right here on the diagonal. Let's capture that first, and then this row here is going to be an integral, but I think what I want to do is simplify it a little bit first. So coming over here when we have, wow, I forgot my x's, that's not great. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is let's actually multiply together these tangents. So we're going to have, this is going to be written as tan squared x, and then we're going to have this secant x here. Now for tan squared x, what we can do is use the identity on this and rewrite this as secant squared x minus 1, and then we can take this secant and just distribute this in. So then what's going to happen, so then this is going to become secant cubed x minus secant x. But then just notice this piece right here, this is the same as our original integral. So let's label the original integral I. So this thing over here is I, and this thing over here is I. Then with this minus sign here, in this we're going to have a minus I here. And then distributing the minus to this minus secant x, this is going to give me plus the integral of secant x dx. But now to take care of this minus I can actually just add an I on both sides here. So this is going to cancel out. Then on the left side, we're going to have here 2i, bring down the secant x times tan x right here. But this right here, this is just another common integral. This is going to become natural log absolute value secant x plus tan x. But now we just need to divide off 2 in order to isolate our solution. Divide off by 2 on both sides. And we could just leave it like this, but I think I'll rewrite it. So for my final solution on this, we just get 1/2 secant x tan x plus 1/2 natural log absolute value secant x plus tan x. Absolute value, add a plus c, and that's it. Okay, there you have it. Integral secant cubed with integration by parts. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.